Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make your Pinterest account a business account. So if you have currently a personal Pinterest account and you want to convert this account to a business account so you get access to additional features and you want to promote your business with your Pinterest account, here's how you can do that. So all you have to do is open up your Pinterest account. So go to pinterest.com. Then sign in into your Pinterest account. Then in the top right corner, click on your profile, or you can also click on this down arrow here. And if you have a personal account, you're gonna see personal here under your account name. And you're gonna also see this option, convert to business. So select this one. Here you can see what are the main differences between a personal and business account. So as you can see, if you want to run ads, get more insights and analytics of your account, you have to convert to a free business account. So if you're okay with this, click on upgrade here. You have to then describe your business, select an option here, then click on next. Then you have to add your business name here, your country or region here, and your website here. Or if you don't have a website, you can also check this box here. So once you added your business name, your country or region, and website, click on next. Then you have to select up to 3 business goals, and then you have to select the focus of your brand. Then once you edit this option as well, click on done. And now we have successfully converted our account to a business account. If you click on this down arrow here, now you do not see personal here, but business. So we can now use our Pinterest business account to start running ads, install the Pinterest tag, and a lot more. So now this is how you can make a Pinterest account a business Pinterest account. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Pinterest checklist for free, or the Pinterest SEO growth checklist and other Pinterest marketing resources and deals, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use and grow your Pinterest account, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials on Pinterest marketing and other marketing platforms as well.